Good morning, guys. Welcome to my morning forecast on the 30th of July. As always, we'll look at key areas of market structure and high probability areas of interest. If we get straight into it on the pound dollar, looking at the daily, we can see that the swing structure is bearish after we've had this break of structure here, and the internal structure is also bearish. We have mitigated this demand zone, which was a sweep zone and led to the break of structure here. So this is a pretty strong zone, so we can expect a reaction from here. If we look straight onto the 4-hour, we can see that the swing structure is bearish and the internal structure is bearish. Again, we've mitigated this supply here, and now we're seeing a bit of a reaction from there. So now that we're seeing a reaction from there, we could just see this little pop up and then continue down, because we've only just broken this swing low and daily swing low. So we don't need to see a pullback just yet. We can continue down. Or the pullback could happen because we've already mitigated this zone. So we could get the pullback into this zone, and then we could look to go short from here. If we break above this supply zone, then we're going to be looking for longs because the supply zone's failed. And in line with longer term structure, even though the daily has switched bearish, like we're obviously in this long term uptrend, which the daily switching bearish could be an indication that we're actually going to be starting a pullback, or at least a deeper pullback. But for the time being, we're just trading between here. So if we move up to here, then we can expect to go lower. Okay, let's look on the 1-hour. We can see that the swing structure is bearish and the internal structure is now bullish after we've come above this high. So now that we've got this bullish structure here, that indicates that we are going to get a daily the 1-hour pullback. So the 1-hour pullback is likely to come into this supply zone here, and then from there that will bring us to the extreme 1-hour supply, which is, just draw it on. So here's the extreme 1-hour supply. So with this supply, if this structure is going to hold and we're going to stay bearish, then when we get into this zone, we're likely to go lower.